Today I'm going to show you how to do the basic kicks, stalls, and tricks with your Whammo Hacky Sack. Here we have the Whammo Striker and the Whammo Impact. These are both very full, lightweight kicking bags. And then up top, these three bags are the Whammo Rebel. These have a much lower fill percentage. These are more hybrid bags made for stalls and tricks. I'm going to be showing you all the basic kick, stalls, and tricks with these bags today. Also, we have some prototype bags. I've been working with Whammo to create a lower fill percentage foot bag that's good for kicking, but also good for tricks and stalls. Keep an eye out for these in the future. All right, so first up, I'm going to cover kicking. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this. I'm going to be using Whammo's new prototype bags. It's all pretty self-explanatory. First, you have your inside kicks. Next, you have your toe kicks. You also have your knees and your outside kicks. There really are no rules, just don't use your hands, keep the bag off the ground, and have fun. And next I'm going to show you the stalls. You need to be comfortable with doing these before you can start doing tricks. You can technically stall the bag anywhere on your body, but there's really only three main stalls. The most used stall is the toe stall. Instead of coming up to kick the bag, you're going to go down with the bag and cushion it with your foot. Next is the inside stalls. They're just like the basic inside kick, but again, you're just going to cushion the bag down instead of kicking it. After you're comfortable with the inside stall, you're going to want to learn the clipper stall. It's an inside stall on the outside of your body. So you're going to cross your inside stall behind your leg, bend your knee, and go down with the bag. You can also stall on your knees and on the outside of your foot. You can really stall the bag anywhere on your body. Again, just keep the bag off the ground and don't use your hands. And finally, I'm going to show you the 5 basic tricks. These tricks are the foundation to almost every single freestyle foot bag trick. Now, the first trick almost everyone learns is around the world. You're going to start off in a toe stall. You're going to set the bag about knee height. Go around the bag in to out, locate the bag, and stall it. Set it, find it, stall it. All right, so the second trick we're going to learn is called a Legover. You're going to start with a toe stall on one foot, and it's going to end on a toe stall on the other foot. You're going to set the bag, take your other leg, go up and around it from the outside, find it, install it. And the third trick we're going to learn is called a pickup. It's just like the Legover, except instead of going out to in, you're going to set the bag and go in to out. It's going to start on a toe stall on one leg, end on a toe stall on the other leg. So we're going to set the bag, go in to out, catch it. The easiest way to do this trick is to lead with your knee, then just go around it, scoop it up. All right, and the fourth trick we're going to learn is called the Mirage. It starts just like that pickup, where we're going to go in to out, but instead of catching it on this leg, we're just going to jump over and catch it back on the original foot. So we're going to set it, go in to out, catch it back on the same foot. And finally, the last trick I'm going to show you today is called the butterfly. This is just like that clipper style I showed you, except instead of doing it on the outside of the body, your planting leg is going to go over the bag. We're going to do it from the inside of the body. So we're going to set it, jump over it, land in the clipper stall. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning the 5 basic tricks. Thanks for watching.